Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited about what we're doing today. We have the Sigma FP. We're going to do a quick unboxing of that, and then towards the end we'll do a little haul of accessories that I got for it, and maybe you guys can let me know of other accessories that will help me get the most out of it. I'm currently working off the Canon M50 Mark II. It's not a bad camera, don't get me wrong. It's just that I feel like I outgrew it in terms of power and performance, or maybe it just wasn't what I was looking for. But it's still great, and I'm going to use it as my B camera. It's a great beginner camera. I recommend it for anyone who's looking for a new camera. And if you're interested in any of the items that I mentioned in the video, they will be linked down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, so whenever you purchase something through those links, I'll get a commission for that. So thank you guys so much for supporting. Let's get right into it.
Drink and it's fillers. I get more props and stunts than Bruce Willis.
But all right, we're in the room. Wide shot. Let's go. Let me know if you guys want to see a setup video. I feel like that would be actually pretty cool. Where's my knife? Keep the hand cam. Damn. This is the best thing I ever bought, bro. Bro, small rig. It's a clamp, and you can adjust it to however you want. So, bro, am I YouTube now? What's up? I don't know, bro. Here it is, boys. POV, you're the item.
Want a break from the...
I don't want to rip it, bro. I'm not even lying. I'll get video of it. I never destroy my boxes, like for anything. Just for resale purposes, I keep all my boxes intact. I'll show you. I think it just wants me to do it, bro. I had to. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, this is the add-on for the side, I believe. It doesn't have a viewfinder on it, so I think that this thing goes on the side. Why did I show you guys up there? I'm dumb as f***. I have a camera. Oh my god. What is this for? Bet. I don't think I have to buy a dummy battery for this. I think we big chillin', bros. Oh yeah, so they like to make their camera super minimal. They didn't even want to put the fucking strap things on them, so they want to be super minimal, you know, the way I like it. So strap, don't really need this. The battery for this joint, BP51. Oh shit, bruh, I didn't get another package, bro. I left it in the mailbox. Just know I got 2 more batteries with the charger, so thank god I didn't have to rip this one. F this shit. Damn, look at this, bro. Alright, I'm playing. Oh, it got that heft to it, bro. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice, bro. Oh, dude, it's such a pretty camera, bro. Sigma 4L mount, FP right there. You can choose between photo and video right here. Record button. Yeah, this is a dial. Oh, hola. You can mod this thing and make the screen pop out, and so you can flip it in and out. But I don't know that I'll do that with this. So, oh, that's clean, dude. To open the battery cage, you gotta take out this little lip and twist counterclockwise. Ooh, that's so good. Listen to that. Listen to that. Let's move on to what else I got for you guys. I have a cage for the M50. Probably one of the best things I've got for it in terms of accessories. It adds the proper amount of weight to it, which you don't really need to add weight to this camera because it's already pretty hefty. But I think it's pretty small in the hand, so we'll see. Yeah, before we get into that in here, let me show you this real quick. All right, so you can pop these little things out from here. You pop this little thing off right here. You line it up, And you use this little dial right here to turn the screw and make sure it's in there secure. So yeah, and then right here you have it holds your HDMI cable. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere, so you still have access to your aux out and then your USB-C, which is pretty dope. I like this. This is pretty nice, bro. I'm enjoying this. I might do this more often. Leave a like if you're enjoying the video so far. Alright, so you insert the camera here. You want to line this up right here, the screw, with the entry right there. And once you make sure it's lined up, you just start turning. I don't like I don't like that the recording button is all the way down here. Like, I mean, it's okay. Whatever. Let's see how it would look with the secondary attachment. Dude, look at this beast of a camera, bro. I might take it off, dude. I think it's too... Look at this. I don't know. I think it's too much. I'll remove it. Alright, cool. So that was the smaller cage. Alright, yeah. So it's a pretty nice cage. I really like how it looks. I like the square look to it. This isn't the best grip here, so I was proactive and I went on Etsy and I found a 3D printed one that covers the entirety of these two cheese plates here, which sucks, but I mean, you have all this. So I think I'll be fine. Alright, so this one is one of my favorite pieces that I got because, again, I'm coming from the Canon M50 Mark II, so I went ahead and got EF to L because almost everything I have, like my Nifty 50, EF. When I got the M50 Mark II, I got a speed booster. And for those who don't know, not only is it an adapter, but it also has a lens inside, and it turns your crop sensor camera into a full frame camera, essentially. Turns it, you know. And also, this is where is it? Right here, 1.8 aperture. That's how wide it goes. And with the speed booster, it's 1.2. So if you like the blurry, bokeh, however you pronounce it, speed booster's the way to go. I promise you. Let me know if you guys want a comparison video of the 50mm with this or without. I also got an FD to L adapter so that I can too use my FD lenses with the Sigma. I mostly do handheld stuff, or I have my my Ronin SC. It is my best friend, if I'm being quite honest with you. Let me know if you want me to do a review on that. All the gear I have is pretty old. My reasons for that is because I buy almost everything off of Facebook Marketplace. You can get lots of really great things off Facebook Marketplace. Some people take really good care of their stuff, or some people just like bought it and never used it. You just got to know where to look. My phone died. Damn. New lighting. Let's keep it going. All right, let's go ahead and put this together. Cool. Dude, the lighting sucks. Oh my god, I'm sorry, y'all. Let's see how it would look with an FD lens on. Yes. All right. I'm sorry again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I don't know. The lighting is terrible. My girlfriend took me to the mailbox. Want to get these plugged in super quick? Bro, what a fucking video this has been. All over the place. But I guess this is how we are. This is how we do it. I'm just a fucking 20-year-old kid winging it, bro. That's okay. So now I can use my EF lenses and also FD lenses. Dude, this actually looks really nice. Wow. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for me. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. One thing I want to clear up really quick, if you haven't already, go ahead and watch my video for clarifying what LNS Media is. What is LNS? What does it mean? Is it an acronym? I didn't want to do two separate ones, but maybe somewhere along the road I will, just because I didn't want to redirect you guys here, go there, go here, go there. The only thing I'm doing that for is Instagram. So if you do want to watch that video and clarify it, check up here. But you'll find all of my music content, all of my videography content on here, which I think it just makes it simpler. Regardless, make sure to have that notification bell on, just so you know next time I upload. Leave a like, subscribe for more content like this. But yeah, thanks again, guys. I appreciate you. Later.